Hello guys, this is my third video, and in this video um uh, I will give the concept of Bohr orbit in view of uncertainty principle in reference to energy time relation. So this is actually a new topic. So let us start. So according to the uncertainty principle, actually energy time principle, we know that delta t greater than equal to h cut. So this we know. Okay. So let us assume there are two Bohr orbit. There are two Bohr orbit. Electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Here is the nucleus. Okay. This is nucleus. Two Bohr orbit revolving. Two Bohr orbit and electrons are revolving. So we know that the electrons only move in a specified orbit, that is actually they are they move only in quantized stationary orbit. Okay. With definite energy level. This orbit has a definite energy level. This also level have also a definite energy level. This orbit has also definite energy level. So the uncertainty in the energy actually will become zero, because this has definite energy level, this orbit, and this orbit also have definite or energy level. So the uncertainty will become zero. Okay. So applying the uncertainty rule, this will give delta t greater than equal to h cut by delta I. Since this will be 0, so delta t will approximately be infinity. So this means for a electron to for a electron, this will require infinite amount of time for actually the transition of different orbit. Means when an electron will jump from this orbit to this orbit, this will take an infinite amount of time from the uncertainty principle that I have shown. But we know, but actually we all know the time taken for a electron actually in orbit transition is delta t 10 to the power minus 8 second. This we all know the time for the emission of an electron. So this violates the Bohr orbit, or the uncertainty principle violates. Actually, the concept of Bohr orbit violates the uncertainty principle. Okay. So this is the first. So number two, we will say that let us say delta t is finite. Delta t equal to finite value we all know. ठीक है मतलब ठीक है we all know finite delta t is finite some value. Okay. So if delta t is finite, so applying this uncertainty principle, we'll get delta E is infinite. So now if delta is infinite, delta is or energy is infinite, then from transition of an electron from one orbit to another, it will emit or radiate infinite amount of energy. So if infinite amount of energy is emitted, then we will conclude that we will not get any sharp spectral lines will not get, and and number two, we will get from infinite energy actually a broadening of spectrum, a natural broadening, which is natural. Okay, so we'll not get any sharp spectral line, and broadening of spectrum will occur. This also violates that this also violates the theory of spectral lines in atom. So from whole of these two points, we get to know that the Bohr orbit, actually the Bohr concept and uncertainty principle both violate each other. So this is the concept.